Seaborn Violinplot change order of hue. I'm trying to draw split violins to compare them across the hue variable. The plotting itself works fine, but I would like to have the order of the hue variables changed, i.e. true being on the left side of the split instead of on the right. A small working example is this. This is how the output looks like. What I want to achieve is having the false entries on the right of each split, the true entries on the left. Is there any way to achieve that?
You need to set hue_order.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.